Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in my video, I'm gonna show you how to make open petal paper roses. For that, I have taken a sheet of a paper which is a craft paper which is very thin and not so hard. Later on, I'll cut it off such that I'll get an exact measurement of a rectangle of equal size in width and height. Now you can see I got an equal size. Later on I'll divide this paper into 4 equal parts. Now with the help of scissor, I'm gonna cut this into 4 equal parts. Taking this one bit of paper, I'm gonna divide this as triangle shape. By folding my paper thrice such that it is equal sized. Later on, I'm gonna cut this with a curve shape exactly similar to the half heart shaped one. Now I'll cut same as before by remaining with these 3 papers. Exactly similar to the first cutting which I have showed. I'll check measurement and I'm gonna cut it off. Later on, I just cut it off small bit at the edges such that when you are open with this flower you can see some kind of hole in that. I'm gonna open this, you can see the flowers. Now what I'll do is I'll cut 1 petal in my first flower and 2 petals in my second flower and 3 petals in my third flower and 4 petals in my fourth flower. You can see I'm cutting 3 petals in my third flower and similarly 4 petals in my fourth flower. Then I take a fork stick and I am making a curve at the edges such that you will get a glossy look of petals. You can use any kind of stick. Similarly, I'll make this for all my flowers. I'm rolling it off at the edges, you can see. Now it's done. I glue it off at one petal and I make an intersection over the another such that it will fix properly, you can see. I'll make for my all remaining flowers. Now we are at the last stage. I have ordered my flower as 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take my first flower and I add some glue and paste over the another flower, and again I'll apply some glue and I'll take my third flower and I'll fix it off. Similarly, I'll repeat for every flower with same procedure. You can see the look, like it's a kind of open petal look of rose. I'm adding one by one. and it's done now. I'm gonna compress it such that it will get a good shape. And that's it guys, the flower is ready, and if you want you can compress it and make it as closed flower. And this is the one which I made with the paper. You can also made with the paper and add some colors to that. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Till that, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.